Now, equal money, and some say it doesn't sound possible. Let's consider the following, that if you were born into a system from the beginning where equal money was the way it was working, you would have accepted that system completely. But because you were born into a system where you have to compete and fight for your survival, you don't know anything else, and you're the product of your knowledge. Therefore, anything that challenges your brainwashing will sound impossible. At least when it sounds impossible, you can confirm one thing: you are in fact brainwashed. And you should be grateful, because when you know and accept that you are brainwashed, you have the power to do something about it. But as long as you claim that you are not brainwashed, you are in fact fucked.